Hello everyone, welcome to Wallpaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a live wallpaper like this on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to search box and then in here type in store, and here you'll see Microsoft Store at the top. Click on it. Now once Microsoft Store opens up, go to the search box and type in lively wallpaper and then click on this app, lively wallpaper. Now from here click on get, and now lively wallpaper will be downloaded and installed on your Windows 11 computer, so just give it a moment. Now once the download is complete, click on open, and here is our live wallpaper app. Now in here, as you can see, we have a few that we can use right away. So if I just click on this one and then minimize this window, as you can see, I already have a live wallpaper on my desktop, and you can also choose any of the live wallpapers from here. So if I click on this one, this is an interactive one. So if I go to my desktop, you can see that when I move my mouse cursor or mouse pointer, the wallpaper is interacting with me. Now here is only a few of them. There are a ton of live wallpapers that you can use. For that, all you have to do is just open any browser and then go to this YouTube channel called Free Motion Background Loop, and in here when you go to their video section and then go to the popular section, you can see that there are tons of animated backgrounds or live backgrounds. So once you find one that you like, all you need to do is just click on these three little dots and then click on share and then copy this link. Now go to your lively wallpaper app and then click on add wallpaper. Now in here paste the URL that we have just copied and then click on this arrow, and then once you see this, you can give it a name. So I'll just call it, let's say, Rubik, and then I'll click on OK, and then you'll see that live wallpaper in here. And once you see it, just click on it, and now if we minimize this window, you can see that the wallpaper is now set on our desktop. And that way you can also search for live wallpapers or live motion backgrounds on YouTube and find any video that you like, and you can set that as your wallpaper in this app. And that is how you can add a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.